usual, making paratha for suhoor or siri for 24 days Ramadan fasting, and today is Saturday and today is March 14. 24 days na tayo ngayon. Ilang araw na lang. 6 days more, I think, more become. And then, eat na. So, lagyan na natin ng fresh buffalo milk. Ayan. Meron akong nabili kahapon na namakpari at saka yung, yan, may extra pa. Pwedeng kainin, dagdag. Jalebi, yan. Yan. So, magpapainit ako ng kunting rice and then kunting cow liver curry at saka kunting okra. Kasi kahapon hindi ako nagluto. Yan. Sunog na. So, lagay na natin itong isa. Yan. Lagay natin dito sa hotpot. Already closed fasting. Time check is 4:51 AM. Now already azan. Finished already siren. That is Rolakut City. Ito ang aking recipe ngayon for 24 days Ramadan fasting. Ito ay apple marrow or circle marrow, or they call it here in Pakistan tindi. Ayan, so 1 kilogram ito. Kaya babalatan ko na ito at i-prepare ko, lulutuin for our dinner after iftari. Magdi-dinner kami. So ito yung aking recipe ngayon. It's cooking time. Now we'll put now also this garlic. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this together: chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, slices of tomatoes, and green chilies. So this one ay my recipe for today, nabubulol na. And this is circle marrow or tindi. Then I mix also some potatoes because I think this is not enough. So I add more potatoes here. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this. We add also some lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and lentils, so it's more tasty. And then we'll add now this potatoes and what you call this, circle marrow. Circle marrow or tindi is ready. I have leftover rice yesterday. And this is mixed vegetable salad: cabbage, carrots, red onions, spring onions, and then toppings with coriander leaves. Organic also, this spring onions is organic. Then I put mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, and fresh cow's milk to yogurt. And fruit chat is ready also, and this one ready to fry. And also I will fry also some cauliflower and chapatis and sharbot with chia seeds or tokmalanga seeds for 24 days Ramadan fasting. Pakoras is ready also, and cauliflower, and then green chilies, eggplants, and roasted chicken. Done our dinner and iftari for 24 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. So we have more extra for tomorrow suhoor, and then until dinner, this one for after iftari. And I have extra, too much extra pakuras and eggplants and what you call this, cauliflower. So no problem, can be eat also this one tomorrow for suhoor for 25 days Ramadan fasting. And too much extra sharbot because Fahad and Fatma they invite our neighbor here for iftari and dinner. So that's why there is too much extra. And also this one, I only eat this one. And also too much extra chapatis because Fahad and Fatma they eat also there where they invite to eat iftari and dinner also fruit chat too much. So this one roast only for Fahad and Fatma because me, my husband and Langgawi eat only for iftari and dinner, and this one extra for this is extra chicken. Tomorrow I will cook this one chicken curry or chicken clay. Ayan, ayan naririnig nyo yung ano yung nagsasalita. Yun yung trawi na pumunta si Fahad doon sa masjid.